We often get photos from clients who've just installed their cordless Roman shades and noticed uneven folds. Don't worry, this is a common issue that can happen after shipping, and it's an easy fix. Since the mechanism is a bit different, adjusting it correctly isn't always clear right away. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple adjustments needed to ensure your shade operates smoothly and looks perfectly even. The brackets are already installed inside the window frame. If you need help with installation, we have a separate video that explains the process in detail. You can find the link in the description of this video. Now, carefully insert the mechanism into the installed brackets. Make sure it clicks securely into place and is properly locked in the slots for a stable fit. After installing the mechanism, it's important to adjust the strings that control its operation. They should be properly wound onto the spool inside the mechanism. To ensure smooth operation, make sure the strings are wound evenly and that their starting position is aligned with the edge of the spool where the string is secured. When attaching the Roman shade to the mechanism, make sure to place the piping above the mechanism to ensure there are no gaps. With just a few simple adjustments, your cordless Roman shades are perfectly aligned and ready to enhance your space. The seamless functionality and elegant look they bring to your home. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover in our next videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.